wasn't waiting. They Gorilla Glue this on? Hey, what's up? It's Mo. Hey, hi, I'm back. So if you're still subscribed to me, thank you so much for staying subscribed. Like, I don't even know why you're still here, but I really appreciate it. Today's video is pretty much an Amazon haul. I ordered like a bunch of stuff that I needed.
Or unless this is like rubbing on my teeth, but it looks gray in the camera.
I, again, have an Amazon haul. I bought so much stuff. I also even bought a wig, and I can't wait to share it. I already opened a few things. Like, I did get some makeup, and I really needed to use it because, girl, look at this. I'm gonna pretty much share what I got. It's so nice to be back. Oh my god. I think this is only one item. I almost showed the address. Wow, I'm dumb. But this is the first item I'm gonna open. There are some stuff that I already opened, but they're like all over the place, so I don't really want to. Oh, I should really get scissors before I even. Ooh, stronger than I thought. Okay, looks like this is the hair. Wow, this looks so cute. No way. This is what it comes in. Oh my god, this is like so freaking cute. Oh, I'm so keeping this. This is perfect. Like, you could reuse this little baggy thing. Oh my god, I didn't even know this was gonna come with all of this. Okay, so it comes with a wig cap. That's clutch. Comes with some. Wow. Okay, I feel like this is like, should this be sponsored or something? Like, should I get paid?
Okay, just kidding. But and it also comes with these lashes that are upside down. But yeah, these are mad cute. I might use them eventually someday.
After sales card. This is mad cute. But wow, it comes with all this stuff. I didn't even know that. Okay, now this is the official wig. I love that the lace is already like almost my skin tone. Oh, this is so pretty. No way. Oh my god, look. Like, it's already, oh my god, this is like ready, set, go type of wig. Like, this is,
I could definitely bleach the knots if I want to, but this is like this would work. I could make this work without doing all that extra stuff. Yes, I want it to look flawless, amazing, and gorgeous.
this looks beautiful. It's a 360 wig. I got a 360. This is a 4x4, but yeah, I'm making it work, aren't I? Like, girl. I love the hair. Like, the hairline is already done for you. It's not like just round. It's so, wow, I can't. This is gorgeous, and it feels good too. There's not really any shedding either. Like, one hair. I was like, they Gorilla Glue this on? I love little surprises with stuff, like unexpected surprises. Like, what? That's dope. Okay, next up. I really want to show these brushes. I could probably link everything down below. Okay, so these are the bigger brushes. Look at this color. It's like a rose gold. It's mad pretty. And there are smaller brushes that came with this. Like, these smaller brushes also came. Some stuff were already open, so these are the stuff that were open. These beautiful brushes. They're gorgeous. I already used some of them. I wasn't waiting. And I also needed a new foundation, so I went with a matte poreless Fit Me by Maybelline concealer to foundation, 360. This is what I have on right now. It's freaking flawless. As you can see, it's gorgeous. I did put, okay, I can do a makeup video soon. The best way that I saw to like blend my makeup is to use my concealer first and then my foundation on top, and that's exactly how I achieved this beautiful look right here, which is barely a look. It's just concealer, foundation, highlight, contour, and then I did my lips, threw some lashes on. I didn't even do my eyebrows. Like, am I trying or am I not trying? I can't tell. Next, I did need a contour kit. I did get this one. I wish I had gotten like a dark, just the dark one, but medium to dark definitely worked. I have the contour on right now. Like, I have the contour. I didn't use the sculpt. I couldn't really tell what the, oh, I guess the sculpt is like the concealer, but I already had concealer, so I didn't really use that. And then it also came with a highlighter, but this is what it looks like. This is like a perfect dark shade for me. I like how a lot of these stuff that I'm doing this haul and I use some of it, so it's like, oh, look what I did, and also look, I don't know. Anyways, moving on. I also needed some beauty blenders. I don't have specific. Oh, I thought only 4 came in this. Yeah, I also opened this because I needed to use them. This is what they look like. This is what it looks like used. I don't know, like people do this stuff. I kind of really like this. I think I might be ordering more. Got, I think, 5 sponges in it. Now I think this is the last one, and this is the coolest one out of all of them. I think I know what this is. Hold on, this is gonna be a really short video. Like I just felt like I had a lot of stuff from Amazon, and I was like, oh, I could do an Amazon haul. And here we are.
Oh, what's this? Oh, there were 2 things in this package. I was like, oh, but I got more free stuff. No more free stuff. I paid for that.
Okay, so this is what I was super excited for. This is so cool. Okay, so it comes with this thingamabobber to put your wax in. Well, it also comes with after wax oil spray. And then it comes with this thingamabobber. Ow! So there's a little bowl to put your wax in. This thingy. It does also come with wax in it. As we can see, I'm clumsy. I don't even know how I'm still alive. Hard wax beans. So it comes with this. So like 3 of those and then some hard ones. I'm not getting sponsored, and it also comes with like the sticks to put them on. I'm not like showing all this stuff.
I was really excited to use it, and like I ordered it, and I'm doing the unboxing, and I just want to share the stuff that I got. Okay, I get paid, but then again, you gotta pay for everything. So am I wrong? Anyways.
And if anyone like kind of want me to go into details like how I did it, or if I should like just do a video on me waxing. Watch me burn myself, people.
Oh yeah.
Okay, I don't know what that was. Next, I bought a pouch of like tweezer stuff. Before you ask. Okay.
These things were absolutely necessary.
Okay, so I pretty much bought a wax. I was gonna say a waxing kit, a tweezer kit. It comes with the little scissor. Ooh, I caught it with my leg, like a little scissor trying to skirt. And I was like, skirt. Thick thighs. This is like, it's literally like just tweezers in here. Like this is another angle, like an angled one. I'm guessing these are like some professional ones.
I'm ready.
Okay, and then there's this one. I think this is the one that I'm gonna use for my hair. Like if I need to do anything to that. That was like perfect. It looked good. Look what? And it like comes with this little pouch. Like I can't lose nothing. I did just lose the scissors, but I'll pick that up later. It comes with this little pouch, and that's like mad cool. That's super dope, super cool. I'll try to list everything at the bottom. Like this video, kinda it'll help me know like should I do more of these? Like I want to get back in the game. Hey man, I say that like every year, and I do one video and then I never post again. I should just keep posting. Regardless, same shit. I'm not allowed to cuss on YouTube anymore. Like, will I not be able to like monetize this video? Or I don't really know the rules. I should probably read like the manual, but no one does that. Who reads the manual? Like I've had to read a manual like once because I was trying to figure out like, can I jumpstart my car away from my car? Like, can I do something with the keys? Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like it, subscribe if this is your first time seeing me ever. Subscribe. I again am gonna be posting like a lot more. Like, comment, subscribe once again. I know I said it 3 times. Stop counting, okay? This is bye. I'll see you next time. Yeah.